There's a version of you that scares you, not because you can't become it, but because deep down, you know that if you ever stop wasting your potential, everything in your life will change forever. Today, we're going to talk about why you've been stuck, why you delay, why you haven't become the person you know you can be, and how to break that cycle once and for all. This isn't motivation, this is a blueprint. Let's begin. Your life right now is a reflection of one thing: what you've been willing to tolerate. Comfort feels like peace, but really, it's a cage disguised as a couch. The truth? Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they live life on default mode. You wake up, scroll, react, and then repeat. And every single day, your potential quietly expires. Breakdown moment. 1. Comfort equals stagnation. 2. Stagnation equals wasted potential. 3. Wasted potential equals regret. Your life won't change until your habits do. Here are some action steps. Reduce one comfort habit today. 1. 1 hour less scrolling. 2. Sleep at the same time. 3. 15 minutes reading. Pick one. Start small. Build momentum. Your brain is wired for survival, not success. That's why you procrastinate, overthink, avoid challenges, fear commitment, and self-sabotage opportunities. Your mind believes danger still exists when the only danger is discomfort. Your brain is ancient. Your potential is modern. When you try to grow, your brain screams, "Stop. Too much work. Too risky." Not because you're incapable, but because your brain wants the familiar. Picture your future self watching you from 5 years ahead, wondering why you're still living the same life. Do one uncomfortable task every morning before touching your phone. This rewires your brain to follow purpose, not comfort. Let's be brutally honest. You're not lazy, you're scared. Scared of failing. Scared of succeeding. Scared of judgment. Scared of responsibility. Potential stays unused not because you're weak, but because you're afraid of who you might become. Your potential requires sacrifice. Your current life requires nothing. If you want a better life, you must give up the life you're used to. Now listen, write down the one identity you want. Focused. Disciplined. Creator. Doer. Leader. Your identity drives your behavior. Your behavior drives your results. Your results confirm your identity. This is how cycles are broken. Let's hit the truth directly. Here are the 4 habits wasting your potential daily. 1. Overconsumption. You consume more than you create. 2. No clarity. You wake up with no clear mission. 3. Emotional decision-making. You let your feelings run your schedule. 4. Zero skill development. You don't sharpen anything long enough to become world-class. Quick reality check, you have time. You just don't have priorities. Let me give you a simple system that works for everyone. Step 1. Cut noise, the reset. Remove distractions, limit dopamine, remove toxic people, delete 3 useless apps. Your environment dictates your potential. Step 2. Build momentum, the rise. Momentum is more powerful than motivation. Start with 20 minutes per day doing the only thing that moves your life forward. 20 minutes equals transformation. Step 3. Become unrecognizable, the transformation. This happens when you stay consistent, isolate yourself from noise, keep building skills, push through discomfort. People will say you've changed. Good. You're supposed to. The clock is ticking. Your potential won't wait forever. There's a future version of you living a life that feels impossible right now. A bright future where you are financially stable, disciplined, respected, confident, fulfilled, and peaceful. That version of you already exists, but only if you stop wasting who you are right now. Every day you choose comfort, you walk away from that life. Every day you choose growth, you move 1% closer. Potential wasted becomes regret. Potential used becomes destiny. Your life is not waiting for the perfect time. Your potential is not waiting for motivation. Your future self is not waiting for your excuses. This is the moment everything changes. Stop wasting your potential. Start building the life you know you deserve. And if you're serious about your growth, keep watching, keep learning, and keep becoming the person you are meant to be. Your potential is calling. Pick up. Subscribe to Mindflix if you want more structured transformations. Join the movement. Welcome to becoming stronger, wiser, and more powerful than you realize.